So welcome back. So this is part 3 of vector. So the question is continued. Last video we have discussed 3 questions and this is the fourth one. So you can see here we have a triangle in which M is the midpoint. So I'll draw a triangle for you because it will be like easy for you to understand. So this is a triangle in which there is point given A, O and B, and they have said M is the midpoint of AB. So this M is the midpoint of AB, L is the midpoint of OM. So there is a line OM, and for this L is the midpoint of OM, and the line OM and AN intersect at L. So this OM line, right, this OM line is intersecting with another line that is AN, and they are intersecting at point N. The same diagram I'm drawing, and they have given ON is 1/3 of OB. So ON, this length is 1/3 of OB. Of means multiply 1/3 of OB, right? And what else they have given? OA is A, the whole length is A, and OB is equals to the whole length OB. From here to here, the whole length OB is B. Yeah, so if they have given whole length as B, OB is equals to B, they have given. Okay, so we can write, instead of OB we can write B, because OB is given as B, right? So if OB is equals to B, then ON will be 1/3 of B, right? I can change the color. 1/3 of B. Okay, so the question they have asked is OM vector. What we have to find? We have to find out OM vector, O to M. So for finding this, I have to go from here to here. Let me change it. I have to go from here to here. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so if I want to go from here to here, I need to trace a line that is, I can take OM in this direction. O to A I'll go first. For traveling O to M, I'll take OA first. That is already known. Then I'll take AM direction. Okay, then after that I'll take AM. So OA plus AM. So you know what is OA, right? OA is A. What is AM vector? And you know that AM is just half of AB, right? Because M is the midpoint. If M is the midpoint, then AM will be half of AB. Now what is AB? AB is also not given. So AB, let's calculate it. What is AB? So AB vector will be equals to what? If I want to go, I can travel this direction. See, I'll take another, let's say, for calculating AB vector, I have to go like this. AO plus OB, right? So AO plus OB. So AB will be equals to AO plus OB. AO vector plus OB vector. So what is AO? Minus of A. Opposite to A we are going. And plus what is OB? OB is plus of B. So this is AB. So what is AM vector now? So AM will be half of AB. AB is minus of A plus of B. Okay. So if we expand this bracket, it should give me minus 1/2A plus 1/2B. So AM vector is minus 1/2A plus 1/2B. So that value I can fill it over here in this one. So AM is, I can write, instead of plus I can write negative. I can write negative of 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2b. Okay, so now you are left with solving, simplifying little bit more. So if I simplify it, I'll be getting 2 over here. So 2a minus of a plus 1 by 2b. You can use your calculator to solve this part also. So 2a minus a is a by 2 plus 1 by 2b is your final answer. So OM vector is a by 2 plus 1 by 2b. So you have to simplify it further to finish the answer. Okay, so we have to do the next question. Let me do it with another color. Blue color. Okay. So what is OL vector? We are doing the second part, B part. What is OL vector? So O to L. OL, this is OL, right? For going O to L, I can take this direction, OA plus AL vector. AL vector, instead of AL, we can go from OL. I can calculate. OL is actually half of OM, right? Yeah, because L is the midpoint they have given. L is the midpoint of OM. So OM we have already calculated. So OL will be half of OM because OL is L is the midpoint. So half of the OM is we can write 1 by 2a also, okay, here. So 1 by 2a or a by 2 both are same. So 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2b I can write like this. So if I multiply this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, it will give me 1 by 4a plus, expanding the bracket, I think you know this. So 1 by 2 times 1 by 2a is 1 by 4a plus 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 is 1 by 4b. So OL vector will be equals to 1 by 4a plus 1 by 4b. So this is the answer. So after that we have to find out AL vector. Let me change the color for that. We have to find out AL vector. So for finding AL vector, this is part C. For finding AL vector, this is AL. So we have to go from, oh yeah, OL is already known, so we can travel this direction. So I can go AO vector plus OL vector, because AO I know that AO is minus of A, and plus OL just now we calculated. The OL vector is 1 by 4A plus 1 by 4B. So just we have to simplify further. So minus a plus 1 by 4 will be giving me minus 4a plus a plus 1 by 4b. Minus 4a plus a is will be equals to minus 3a by 4 plus 1 by 4b. So you can use a calculator to solve this part, or either you can use a calculator. It's like minus 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so it will give you the answer like that. So answer is minus 3 by 4 a plus 1 by 4b. So I believe the first question is clear to you. Yes, so it is all. Let us move to the second question now. This is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. OP is parallel to RQ. This OP is parallel to RQ. Okay, let me draw the diagram for you. It will be easy for you. This is a pentagon, 5-side figure. So this is P here, this is O here, this is S, this is R, this is Q. They have given that OP is parallel to, this is parallel to QR, parallel. Okay, and OS is parallel to PQ. OS is parallel to PQ. Okay, they both are parallel. And again they have given here one more thing, that is PQ is 2 of OS. PQ is, this length is double of OS, right? 2 times OS. So PQ is equals to 2 times OS, correct? So if it is 2 times OS, so I think we are given with OS, right? OS is equals to S. So PQ will be equals to what? 2S. OS is given as S in question itself. You can also see here the OS length is S, so PQ will be equals to 2S because PQ is double of OS. And also OP is equals to 2 of RQ. So this length, right? Let me change the color. This length OP is twice of RQ. So if this is twice, now this is P. If this is twice, then this should be P by 2, half of that. So OP is equals to what? Half of that, 1/2 of P, right? Because QR, I'm talking about RQ, yeah. So RQ should be equals to RQ should be equals to RQ should be equals to mhm, so RQ should be equals to, actually this is RQ, so this is just half of this one, right? So I can write P by 2, 1/2 of P or P by 2, because this length is P, so half of that is P by 2. Okay, so RQ is P by 2. So let us solve the question. So we need this one, RQ is P by 2, PQ is 2S. Okay, so I'll take this here. So RQ is P by 2, and this is P, this is 2S, this is S. So let's solve the question now. So we are asked to find out the position vector of Q. What is position vector? You know this, right? Position vector, we have to start from origin and we have to reach to Q. So what is position vector of Q? What is position vector of Q? Q is here. Position vector of Q means OQ. So OQ will be equals to, this is the A part we are doing, OQ will be equals to what? OP plus PQ, right? We can go from O to P, then P to Q, correct? So that will be our direction. OP will be plus of P, or just as it is P, you can write P plus PQ will be equals to 2 of S. Because both are in positive direction, OP and PQ, so we will take it as positive. So so your answer is P plus 2S OQ. Then the B part is SR vector, S to R. So SR is this one, right? You have to go from S to R. For that I can take this direction, SO. For this I can take okay, I can take this direction, SO. Oh, it's not visible, right? It's not visible. It's color. Let me take this one, gray color. So yeah, this one, SO I'll go, then OP, then this one, right? So SR will be equals to SO plus OP plus PQ plus QR. So SO will be equals to minus of S because we are going opposite to that. Then OP will be equals to plus of P, right? Then PQ will be equals to 2 of S. Then QR will be equals to minus of P by 2. Okay, QR will be equals to minus of P by 2. Let's pair the like term, S minus S plus 2S plus P minus P by 2. So minus S plus 2S is S. Okay, and this you can use your calculator also. 1 minus 1 by 2, so you can write it as 1 by 2, because 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So final answer SR will be equals to S plus 1 by 2P. So this is your SR vector. So this is the end of question number 4. Oh my god, this is question number 4, and this again I took it as question. This should be question number 5. This should be question number 6. Okay, end of question number 5. So now we can note it down. Now we can do question number 6. You can pause the video and you can try it by yourself, so that will be easy for you to understand. Okay, then finally the last question. Yeah, last question, question number 6. This is question number 6. So here we have a diagram in which OA is 4A, OB is 3B, R lies on AB such that OR is equals to 1 by 5 of 1 by 5. See, you can just split it like that. You can just expand the bracket. OR is 1 by 5 of 12A plus 6B, right? So you can just multiply it and expand the bracket. So it will be like 12 by 5A plus 6 by 5B. If you expand the bracket, it will be like that, right? 12 by 5A plus 6 by 5B. Open it like that, so that later on we can solve it easily. So OR is 12 by 5A plus 6 by 5B, and BT is this is needed. Okay, so just rounding it off. So BT is equals to 3 by 2 of OA. So it's given in question 3 by 2 of OA. What is OA? OA is 4A, right? So we can write 3 by 2 of OA is 4A. 3 by 2 of 4A. Yeah. 4A I wrote because OA is 4A. So OA I just wrote, instead of OA I just wrote 4A. So if you want to cancel, you can cancel 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So this gives you 6A. So BT is 6A. So BT will be equals to 6 of A. So let us keep this result in our hand so that we can do the questions. Here the first question is AB vector. We have to find out AB vector, first part. So what is AB vector? I can travel from AB vector will be equals to AO plus OB. AO vector plus OB vector, right? So what is AO? AO is minus of 4A plus OB is plus of 3B, correct? So minus of 4A plus of 3B is your answer for AB vector. For AR vector, AR is equals to AO plus OR, right? Yeah. So for AR we can go from this direction to this one. So AO plus OR vector. So AO vector is what? AO vector is minus of 4A plus OR is what? OR is already we have calculated here. OR is, because it's a plus direction, OR is plus, in the same direction we are going, so we will take plus 12 by 5A plus 6 by 5B. You can see that these two have A as common, so I'm writing over here. So we can write it as 5 down, 20 minus of 20A plus of 12A plus of 6 by 5B. Okay, so we got yeah, we got this as 20 minus, it should be minus of 8A by 5 plus 6 by 5B. So this will be a final answer. AR vector will be equals to this. Okay, because we have yeah, this should be the final answer because we are not left with any other simplification further. Okay, so this is AR vector. So the final the last one, that is OT vector. So I have to make some space, so let me do it okay, I'll just erase, let me do it here. Okay, over the top, different color, take green color. So OT vector, yeah, OT vector, OT is from here to here, right? So for getting from O to T, we can go from this direction, OB and BT vector, right? OB is known, OB vector plus BT vector. So OB is plus of 3B, same direction. So I'll write 3B plus BT vector is, BT vector I think, yeah, it's given here, right? BT is 6A. Yeah, that's done. This is your final answer. It's very simple. So all the three questions we have done, and this was the end of the part 3 video. So hope it was helpful for you. So if you want to like continually join the class, so you can just subscribe the channel. It will give you the notifications for the videos and all. So thank you so much.